Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome back to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today, we're doing a super gentle flow for the days when you feel weak or tired. And this yoga will help you recharge. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us bring more fun and calm yoga your way. Ready? Let's flow together. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Kneel on hands and knees, slide arms forward, chest melts toward the floor while hips stay lifted. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Lie on your back, bend your knees, press your feet into the mat, and gently lift your hips while keeping your head relaxed. Lying on back, hips grounded, legs extended straight up vertically, arms relaxed by the sides. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Now let's stay here together for 30 seconds of calm breathing. Feel your belly rise and fall. Imagine soft light filling your body with fresh new energy. You're doing amazing. You did such an amazing job today. If this gentle yoga helped you feel better, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next calming flow. Bye, yoga buddies. Namaste.